If you are looking for the best washing machine hoses,
here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
Number 1. Most popular, premium stainless steel washing machine hoses. If you want functionality and durability at its best, you might want to go for the stainless steel washing machine hoses from Calaro. When it's about washing machine hoses, you should check durability the most. You don't want your hose to leak every once in a while, do you? Unfortunately, this is what you get from the typical washing machine hoses. This premium stainless steel hose from Calaro turns the table with its heavy-duty burst-proof design. The 304 stainless steel body talks heavy construction that enhances its strength and durability. Number 2. Universal washing machine drain hose. Then it's time to replace your aging drain hose with a new, flexible, long-wearing washing machine discharge hose. Our washing machine hoses, with an adjustable 1-inch, 1 1/8 inch, or 1 1/4 inch washer connection head, are compatible with leading brands. This washer drain hose extension has gradations on the end that hooks into the washer, so it will accommodate a number of different washer outtakes. Made of high-quality polypropylene, this washing machine drain hose is sturdily constructed, so will withstand abundant use. This 10-foot washing machine hose works perfectly in tight laundry rooms. Number 3. 2-pack stainless steel washing machine hoses. Time to take your experience on its heights with the washing machine hose set from K&J. You never have to worry about durability ever again with this durable beast in your hold. If you ask me which hose set would be the perfect pick for the money, I'll tell you to go for this hose set with your eyes closed, unlike the others I've mentioned. No, just because it offers you 2 doesn't mean the set's going to cost you a fortune. They come at an affordable price. Number 4. Certified appliance washing machine hoses. For years, licensed plumbers, electricians, and appliance installers have relied on certified appliance accessories for their power cords, hoses, and connectors. Now you can too. Enjoy the convenience offered by these washing machine hoses from Certified Appliance Accessories. Their flexibility and durability ensure a reliable connection for your next home installation project. These high-quality washing machine hoses have been thoroughly tested and are backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Follow our illustrated step-by-step instructions included in the packaging. Always consult your appliance's installation instructions. Number 5. EZ-FLO 48337 Dishwasher Braided. If you're still on the search for the best hoses for the washing machine, you may want to roll your eyes on the stainless steel washing machine hose from EZ-FLO 48337. What hasn't it got? Durability, functionality, you name it. It's just a whole package. I don't know your experience with the washing machines you bought earlier. Maybe you've got leaks. What about cracks? Maybe you've got them as well. If you're tired of all these bummers, it's time to end this once and for all.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.